if 16 times 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to 4 raised to power x times 8 raised to power 1 minus x, find the value of x. And these are the options that are given. For you to solve questions like these, you need to have strong confidence in your solving indices and the laws of logarithm. Hi, I'm Andy and this is New Track Mathematics videos. Now let's go straight down into solving this question. Now for we to solve these questions, we are told that 16 times what? 2 raised to power x plus 1 is equal to what? 4x plus what? Times what? Times 8 raised to power what? 1 minus what? Minus x. Now we can now notice that these two numbers are related with a multiplication sign. These two are related with a multiplication sign. So the first thing that should come to your thought is indices and the laws of indices. Now the first thing you can should come to your thought after that is how to make these values have a common base, because with indices, common base, you can easily carry out any operations. Now for me to make this to also have a base of 16, that would be what? 2 raised to power what? 4, because 2 times 2 will give us 4, 4 times 2 will give us 8, 8 times 2 will give us what? 16. So that will give you 2 raised to power 4 times what? 2 raised to power bracket x plus what? Plus 1, right? That will be equal to what? 2 raised to power what? 2 into bracket what? Bracket x, because 2 times 2 will give us what? 4, and this will give us what? 2 raised to power what? 3 into bracket what? Into bracket 1 minus what? Minus x. 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So if we simplify this, we are going to have 2 raised to power 4 times what? 2 raised to power bracket x plus 1 equal to what? 2 raised to power 2x times what? 2 raised to power what? 3 into bracket 1 minus what? Minus x. So you see, everything now has a common base. So this times this. Remember your laws of indices. Remember your log of indices. A raised to power m times what? A raised to power n will be equal to what? A raised to power m plus what? Plus n. That's the simple law of multiplication in indices. So what do we do? Applying that here, we'll have our what? 2 raised to power 4 plus what? Plus bracket x plus 1, right? Equal to what? 2 raised to power 2x plus what? 3 into bracket 1 minus what? Minus x. So this will give us now a simplified value, because equal to sign is holding these two base. This what? This will cut this. We're now left with the powers. So the powers will now be what? 4 plus what? Plus times this will give us x plus what? Plus 1 equal to what? 2x plus 3 times 1 will give us what? 3. Plus times minus will give us minus, and this will give us 3 what? X. Now we can go ahead to simplify by collecting what? Like terms. So this will give us 4 plus what? Plus x plus 1 equal to what? This minus this, 3x minus what? 2x. 2x minus what? 3x plus what? Plus 3. 4 plus 1 will give us what? 5 plus what? Plus x equal to what? This minus this will give us minus what? Minus x plus what? Plus 3. right? So now we'll come up here and then we'll finish up that will give us 5 plus what? Plus x equal to what? Minus x plus what? Plus 3. This x value comes over here, that will give us x plus what? Plus x, because minus crossing equal the equal to sign to this other side, it becomes what? It becomes plus. So this will be equal to what? 3. This crossover minus what? Minus 5, right? Good. So this is going to give us 2 what? 2x, right, equal to what? This minus this will give us a negative of what? 2. So we divide both sides by what? 2 in order to find the values of x. That will give us 2x divided by 2 equal to what? Minus 2 divided by what? 2. 2 we cut 2. X now will now be equal to what? Minus what? 1. Which is what? The D, the correct what? The correct options. Now you see that these questions like this, although they seems very difficult and very frightening initially, that you can truly what? You can truly solve them. For links on how to join our general mathematics community or forum, check the description section of this video. And if you love this video, I want you to subscribe to our video. Look forward to seeing a hard copy of the PDF version of 2022 past question, 2021 past question, and 2020 past question in a combined volume, and download them for just few tokens. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in our subsequent videos.